What's going on, folks? I wanted to make this video for those of you who may be having a problem with your vehicle. So you come up to your vehicle and it won't start, and once you've tried to start it and it hasn't worked, as well as say you've tried to get a jump on it, and once you tried to get a jump on it, it's still basically not starting. If you have power going to your vehicle, and when you turn the key you hear absolutely no noise at all, which normally means that your starter itself is probably bad, or in most cases that's what most people believe that could be wrong. But what could actually be going on with your vehicle, so before you go and change your starter out, because you've tried to jump it, you may even got a different battery for it, it's still not working, what you may want to do also is check your starter relay. That's pretty much what happened with this vehicle right here. The guy said his vehicle wouldn't start. He bought a new battery for it, put the battery in it, it still didn't start. So he went ahead on and had a new starter put inside of it, and it still wouldn't start, because what was going on is you have a relay that pretty much connects to your starter that sends power to your starter. And if that relay was to go bad, regardless if you're getting a jump or you put a new starter inside of your vehicle, it's still not going to start, because this right here is bad inside of your vehicle. On this vehicle right here, this happens to be a truck, a Chevy Avalanche. So on this one, if you have an Avalanche or something like maybe a Suburban or any vehicle like that, your starter relay will probably be in the same position, which will be right here. If you look inside this fuse panel right here. So what you would want to do is just look into your vehicle. A lot of them I have like a legend like this that's underneath your fuse panel. When you take the lid off of it, it tells you which one of these could be your starter relay itself. So in this one right here, it happens to be right here. The location of it was right here inside of this one. And once we changed out this relay, pretty much the vehicle started straight up. So basically the guy didn't need a new starter, or he didn't need a new battery, but I guess he was figuring that since it wouldn't start, hoping that was the battery that was dead. And since that didn't work, he assumed it was the actual starter itself. And in reality, it was just his relay was bad. So before you go out changing your battery out, as well as changing your starter, you may want to check this relay. What you could do sometimes, if you can see this one right here, there's multiple relays that's inside of this box that have the same number on it. You see right here, this one says 39 or 3614, but you have also other relays in the same box that's the same one as this one. So what you could do is go ahead and pull out one of these relays and switch it to your starter relay position and see if it starts that way. And if it does start, that tells you definitely that your relay is bad, and you can just change that relay out. And also, like I said, before you would definitely buy a new battery, you also want to try to jump it first, because it's much cheaper to just try to jump it. And if that still doesn't work, you hear absolutely nothing, that tells you that either your starter is bad or possibly your relay. All right. Please check out our other helpful videos. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks.